And here I have the Brita XL water filter. This is the big, giant kind of XL tank that you can use for filtering water. It's got a filter sensor right on the top, kind of tells you how much water's gone through there when you need to change the filter. The filter is right down here in the bottom, so that needs to be replaced every so often. But it's got this easy lid. You can open that up to fill it. So once you do put water in the reservoir, it's very simple to use. You just flip down this lever right on top. But the bottom will hold 18 cups of water, and then the black reservoir tank will hold 9. So it's 27 cups of water that it will hold, but very easy to use. Just fill it right in your sink, and then you can set this on the counter, or you can set it right in your fridge and have cold water. But this is what it looks like when you pull the reservoir out. Very easy to clean. But this is going to be a filter that's going to remove a lot of contaminants out of your water and make it a lot better tasting and super clear. And this has been a great product. Can highly recommend.